Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella lollipops. First, gather your simple ingredients: Nutella, lollipop sticks, and parchment paper. Next, scoop out small 1 tablespoon portions of Nutella onto a sheet of parchment paper. Carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each Nutella portion. Finally, place these prepared Nutella portions into the freezer for at least 30 minutes, ensuring they become firm enough to handle easily. This initial freezing step is crucial for the next stages. Now for the fun part, coating your lollipops. Melt your preferred chocolate, like milk or dark, in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring until smooth. Take a frozen Nutella pop and carefully dip it into the melted chocolate, ensuring the entire Nutella portion is completely covered. Gently tap the stick against the bowl's edge to allow any excess chocolate to drip off. This creates a smooth, even coating for your treat. Once coated, it's time to personalize your Nutella lollipops. Immediately after dipping each pop, sprinkle on your favorite decorations, such as colorful sprinkles or chopped nuts, before the chocolate sets. Place the decorated lollipops back onto the parchment paper. Then, refrigerate them for about 15 minutes to allow the chocolate coating to fully set and harden. Store your delightful creations in an airtight container in the refrigerator until you're ready to enjoy them. And there you have it, your very own homemade Nutella lollipops. These delightful treats are best served chilled, offering a perfect blend of creamy Nutella and crisp chocolate. They're fantastic for special occasions, a quick dessert, or just a sweet pick-me-up. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy sharing these easy-to-make, delicious lollipops with everyone you know. They're sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.